Hello everyone, how are y'all tonight? It is Friday night and we're fixing to make a craft. I am Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts and we're going to get started making a little outdoor solar, kind of looks like a post lamp almost, but I thought it was a cute idea, so I think we're gonna jump on in and get started here. So if you get dizzy, I'm gonna turn you down slowly. Here we go. Okay, now, y'all say hello when you get on. Let me know that you're joining me, so I can say hello if I see the comments. If I don't see the comments, I'll read them when I get off. So what we have here is a little plastic solar, looks like a light bulb, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99 with 40% off, I think 40 or 50. So we're gonna cut that off. And inside it's got a little switch and you're gonna turn it on. See, it's already lighting up some. So now I'm going to poke the little lights back in here and screw this back on. Now, from the Dollar Tree, you get 2 pans for $1. So this was off of some ribbon that I had got from Hobby Lobby probably last year. And I'm going to center, I'm going to put it, it's got kind of like a corrugated part here, and then it's smooth on the edge. So I'm going to make sure it's inside the middle. I made me a pattern. So what I'm going to do is, these are not my good fabric scissors. I'm sorry if it's a little loud, but this won't take but just a second, and then it'll be quieter. But I used my big old thing for my ribbon as my pattern. And this turns out really cute. Everyone is loving the outdoor solar lights and chandeliers, so I thought this one would be cute also. And you can leave it silver. I'm gonna leave mine silver just because I think it'll reflect the light a little bit, make it just a little brighter. You could paint it brown. Brown would be pretty, just depending on how bright you want it. I just thought it'd be a little brighter with the silver, so that's why I didn't paint mine. Okay, I'm gonna trash that. So now we have our just silver platter. There's my friend Diane. Hey, how are you? Just got started. So now I'm going to, I could do that with the scissors, but it's easier if you just poke a little hole in there. And then this is real thin. It probably would cut you if you know, tried hard, but it's not real sharp aluminum, so. And I'm just cutting some little slits in there. Now I think we're through with our pattern. Just cut me out a hole here, and then you can just kind of test it each time to see how much bigger you need to get. That's the way I did it. So I'm just going around, trying to make it somewhat of a circle.
So it's Friday night. How is everyone doing? I'm trying to see. I've got somewhat of a glare.
And y'all, if y'all make a comment and I don't see it, I'll go back and reply to you. So say hello. Let me know that you joined me tonight. I love to get off and see who all was on here because I think, well, I didn't see that comment. I didn't see this one. It always makes me happy to see who all was on here. Well, I'm dropping it. Okay, so see, I don't have it quite big enough. So I'm gonna trim some more. Trying to make sure I got it here in the center. So does everyone have a big weekend planned? Are y'all relaxing? Are you spring cleaning? Working in your yard? Y'all, my roses are so beautiful. Miss Delane Corley, she's here on our page. And let me tell you, she loves the Seven Sisters roses. I have one of those rose bushes. And I'm going to try to root her one, or either sweet talk my mom into rooting her one. She is so sweet. Okay, so we got, and I'm holding it up too high, or let me tilt it just a little bit, because there we go. Maybe that's better. I feel like I was getting it out of the camera too much. Okay, so now I'm going to take it back off and kind of bend it a little bit in 2 ways. So that when it's on there, it's going to kind of tilt down just a little bit, just like that. Now, I'm going to take, and I'm going to start with the hot glue just on the edge of the little aluminum and the plastic of the bottle, or the, listen at me calling it a bottle, it's a light bulb. I'll put a little dab right there just to start it. And in case you don't know, twine, it adheres to hot glue very, very, very good. So you can actually put some hot glue on there and it will seal up so it doesn't ravel. But I thought these were so cute. And they'll kind of look like a street lantern to me. Someone said you could hang them in their, they was going to might want to hang it in their trees. But I'm thinking if the limbs was blocking the sun, how would it charge to glow at night? It's just my thinking. What do y'all think? I don't know. Maybe if you had a tree that didn't have, you know, tight limbs, and it was on the edge, maybe. I don't know. Haven't figured that one out yet. Y'all comment and let me know how that would work. It'd have to be a tree that just didn't have many leaves on it. I don't know. They couldn't be thick or whatever. So I'm just going around, bringing my twine up. This turns out so cute, y'all. And in case you're new to my page, I do have a YouTube channel, and I do crafts over there. And I actually do I upload some of my videos from Facebook over there, but I also make videos especially for YouTube that I don't have on Facebook with different crafts. And one that is fixing to be put up over there is an outdoor turtle that you can buy supplies at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart, or anywhere like that. So, you know, I know a lot of people are doing Dollar Tree crafts, and everybody gets upset because every Dollar Tree's not the same, every Walmart's not the same. They don't carry all the same stuff. And when you do a Dollar Tree craft and nobody can find, you know, what you found, then they kind of get upset. It's not, you know, it's not fun when you see something you want to make and then you can't find the supplies to do it with. So the turtle will be something that you could get supplies from Walmart, Dollar General, you know. Probably a Tractor Supply would even have some of the stuff. So, and probably Lowe's and all. Home Depot. So y'all will have to go over there to catch that one. And it's the same name as my Facebook page, Rachel's Unique Crafts. It's the same everywhere, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and my Etsy shop. So y'all have to find me at all the places. But YouTube's the most important, because that's where the fun is. So if y'all don't mind, you could share the video out. If you think you'd like, someone of your friends would like to see how to do some crafts, you could post this video on your page, and then they could see how to do a craft. Okay, we're almost through here. This was a simple, fun, cute little craft. And you could get a little shepherd's pole and hang it on there. You could hang it, you know, anywhere. You could even make some of these and get you some twine. Run it through like this. You can make you some of these and hang them going, you know, if you had a porch, a patio, or anything like that. It'd be really cute. And all you do to finish it off is put you some hot glue, and now this is not real hot. I let it cool just a second, so it's not burning my hand. So now if you have a hot glue gun, you might want to wait a few more seconds and then pat it down and it'll stay. But you could get wire, you could get twine, you could get anything really, wire, cord, and you could string them along. If you was having a party, 4th of July party, you could paint these. You could do all kind of stuff. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. And this, I don't know if you can see or not. You see here. There's so much. I've got so many lights on around here. Might not be able to see the little lights. But they're on. See the little lights? Anyway, I thought this was a cute idea. And they would be cute hanging out on a porch or anywhere. So, that was our quick little craft tonight. And
Let me turn y'all up so I can see. There's Miss Angela. Hey, Miss Angela, how are you? Good to see you, my friend. So, y'all let me know what you think about the little lights, and you could color these. A brown would be pretty. There, that one's coming on. A brown would be pretty, but I just thought they might, you know, reflect a little bit better by keeping it silver. So that's what I chose to do. But I think they're cute. So let me know what you think. And I guess I will see y'all Tuesday night on a Facebook Live. And so until then, y'all have a great weekend. And I look forward to seeing y'all then. Good night, y'all. Bye-bye.